Carlino's Bucatini and Meatballs, an out-of-the-box series. This is the way I used to eat a dish of Bucatini and Meatballs. Then one day, while thinking about what to have for dinner, I decided to think outside of the box. This is the way the Bucatini and Meatballs are prepared. This is the way I now eat my Bucatini and Meatballs. The process is simple. Start by the way you make your meatballs, about 1 pound. Each meatball should be about 1 teaspoon. Make your meatballs nice and round. Place the meatballs on a baking pan lined with parchment paper or aluminum foil. When you are finished, bake them at 375 degrees for about 20 minutes. Get your bucatini. Take out about 60. Each one is called a bucatino, which is the singular for bucatini. One part of your meatball will be slightly flat from being on the baking pan. Place the flat side down on a cutting board. Get a skewer and pierce the center of the meatball. Be very careful. The only red you want to see is some call it sauce, some call it gravy. Place the bucatino gently through the opening to get it started. Then push it through halfway on each side. This should be enough for a healthy appetite. Make your sauce or gravy the way you always do. Carlino's Bucatini and Meatballs will lower your water bill because you are going to cook them in your already prepared sauce or gravy. You can cook them al dente, less al dente, more al dente, however al dente you like. No need to drain the bucatini and meatballs. Place them directly on your plate. There you have it. Carlino's Bucatini and Meatballs. This is nirvana. This is utopia. This is Panther Hollow, my childhood Italian neighborhood in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. That was scrumptious. Give it a try and surprise your family and friends. If you are a restaurant owner and want to make Carlino's Bucatini and Meatballs, call it Carlino's Bucatini and Meatballs. Next in the out-of-the-box series, Carlino's Eggplant Lasagna. Try wait. Coming soon. Copyright 2023 Carlino Giampolo. Now it's time for bocce and Italian dancing.